Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, I did a wrap up at the close yesterday. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. As far as this morning goes, see the yellow line here? That's the 100-day exponential moving average. See the green line? That's your 20-day simple moving average, your middle Bollinger Band. All that is coming together in and around the Globex high, which is currently sitting at 81. They've pulled it back a little bit from there down to trade 66, but it's just a little bit of a continuation of what we've seen. There's Friday jobs. They made the lower low. They blew this low, and they ramped through the 9-day. So here we are testing a couple of very big areas. We talked back on September the 22nd about the 100-day and how important that was going to be if they could seal off the 100-day as resistance and bring it in. And it was. The bears need a repeat of that today. They need to hold this area. So effectively, you're talking about 43.81 on the December contract is a very, very big area. Very big area today. And if they are able to convert through the middle band, so middle band sitting basically 85. You convert these two areas, then you're going to get a roundy test. You're going to get a move up to 4,400, go back to the monthly pivot, do all that fun stuff. Look, as long as we're below the middle band, we remain in the sell rallies market. You can be long the rallies, you can stand aside on the rallies, but if you've been fighting this thing short since Friday, you are 1,000% doing it wrong. And then you got all happy here, and here, and here, and you loaded up again, and you got run back up. It's been tough for shorts the last couple days, absolutely. The easier thing to do is really just to stay flexible, go with the flow of price. So all I've been doing here is I've been rolling up our runner from yesterday. We messed around down at weekly pivot yesterday morning, and then we ended up just in a collection of longs anywhere between 20 and 25. We're in 25.75 right now, and just try not to overthink it. If it comes and takes us out, that's fine. You can see that the hourly mid-band there is 43.70. That's the first area that the bears have to seal off if they're going to get back down towards the 9-day. Biggest problem with yesterday was the 9-day went support. That's a nasty little look right there. So the bears have got intermediate term problems with tape control as long as we're trading above the 9-day. The 9-day had been great resistance back here on last Monday, last Tuesday. That's jobs, so you give them a little bit of a break there, right? Then they open, they gap down, and they get back below it. Okay. That one hurt. That hurt worse. Now we're up here. So now they have to, forget about the 9-day. You had to defend yourselves up here. Try to get back down below here. Now look, with all the things going on in the world, one wrong piece of news, and you're there. You are absolutely there. One piece of news the other way, you can kiss this as resistance and this as resistance goodbye. They'll just take it right back up. So news works both ways, especially when you're talking about geopolitical situations in very volatile areas of the world. Okay? The type of day it is today is usually very non-committal, at least through the morning. So, does this tape need a break? We were talking about this in the subscriber webcast last night. I think it does. I mean, they've run it down. They've run it back. Taking a day off and breathing, not out of line. If it does that, you don't want to overtrade it too much. You're just going to get torn up. Then by the time it actually does want to do something, you're too tired and too pissed off to do anything about it. Don't be that person. Okay? Again, huge area here. Delineator here. Bears don't matter anywhere above here. That's where we're at. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll do a wrap-up after 4 o'clock, and I'll catch everybody tomorrow. Subscribers, we'll have another webcast tonight, get into some more detail. I really like the Q&A we did last night, in addition to the regular stuff. All right. Have a good one. Be good. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.